1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1, red and clean. Very clean, but the exhaust was not clean. I'll show it to you guys in a second. What we did on it, got cats. Oh, 73 doesn't have cats. Never mind. Anyways, true dualed it all the way back. Right there and right there. All the way into two Flowmaster Super 10s. Part number 842515. There'll be a link in the description for them. And we continued it out the back into 18-inch long, 4-inch stainless steel tips. Give it that classic look. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Here's the old exhaust. Here's where it originally connected the headers into a Y pipe. And then this is where the trouble started. I don't know what that is. You guys talk about our welds. Look at those welds, jeez. And then to some, I think, Flowmaster. And then this is a sort of fake duals. Look at those welds, oh my gosh. Right there as well. And right there. Now, you want to talk about bad welds. Those are bad welds. But now it's nice and beautiful. All clean and pristine. So, we'll let you guys hear in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wow. That sounds good. Wow. Sound decibels? Hit 105. That sounds really good. Go and back it up. That's a clean Mach 1, man. There's the inside of it. They did a really good job on it, guys. Really clean. I mean, you don't see them like this hardly ever. Beautifully well maintained. Everything. So, kudos to him. Mach 1 Mustang. Oh yeah. Sounds really good. 2018 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. Really beautiful car. Nice setup. Only got 18,000 miles on it. What we got done on it for them, there's factory converters there and there. Then we took the factory resonator off, added an X pipe right there. Then continued his stock 2¼ tailpipes and did a rear muffler delete there. And there, into some quad black tips, right there and right there. As you guys can see, there'll be a link in the description for the quad tips and the X pipe. There's the resonator that comes on at factory, and there's the two mufflers. And what you guys want to do, these ones come with a valve on each of them. So what you do is you take the bolts off of it, you plug it back in, and zip tie it away. So the car thinks that it's still got it, but it doesn't. I'll show you how it looks like in there. Where we zip tied it away. See, like we zip tied it right there. That's it right there. So it'll just keep going on and off by itself every time it goes into different modes. So that's what you do. There it is after. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Yes. I'd complete it with black on top, like put a wrap, like the front. It looked really clean with the black. Carbon fiber wrap or something. That's so sweet. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. That's so sweet. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang GT 5.0. True dual, straight pipe, X pipe, and quad tips. This is that idle. It sounds so good. I like the rear wing too. It's a nice little addition. Smooth. 2016 Ford Mustang GT 350. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys today, almost fell on my face, is we got there's the stock converters there and there. We'll let you hear it before. And he bought this bolt-on X pipe instead of the mid resonator. And he wanted it welded in the back, so we did that for him, right there. And there it is, X pipe. And then it's still got the factory mufflers there and there. It's got fancy tips on it too. Built into the bumper, there and there. They're closed still. They're still closed. There we go. 115 again. Much better. Yeah. This is what we took off. That's the factory X pipe and factory resonator. And we did basically took the resonators out. Man, it gave it a grip. Yeah, it changed it up. Yeah, it sounds a lot better. Really nice car. Beautiful. I love the color of it too. It's a sexy car. I don't discriminate. I like any car and every car. Sounds so good. 2020 Ford Mustang GT 500, 5.2 liter supercharged V8. It has long tube headers, high flow cats into what was a Borla catback, but he said it was way too quiet. He hated the sound of it. So this is how Borla does their X pipes. It's it's really convoluted, although it looks cool. But yeah, there's their X pipe, and then it goes back. We left the resonators on there. Hopefully it won't cause too much drone, but then we deleted the Borla attacks. Decibels. Go ahead, back it up. That is loud. Went straight through my ears. Oh my God. Is that loud enough? There you go. Ford Mustang GT 500. That is a sick car right there. Woo. Easy to see. Shelby Mustang 500. Really sexy car. Look at that. Woo, baby. What we got done on it? Got factory converter or aftermarket converters there and there. Long tube headers there and there. Then what we brought it in and had a factory or aftermarket X-pipe. And what we did on it is a mid-delete, as you guys can see right there. Then it's got fully straight piped all the way back on each side, 3-inch, there and there. There's the mid delete, there's the high flow cats, and there's the long tube headers. So you can only imagine how loud this thing's gonna be. It's gonna sound phenomenal, guys. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's that Shelby SVT. He's a beast. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, it sounds so good. Guys, it hit 130. Again? Oh, that's a first. 131. Again? Look at that sexy beast, 5.8 liter SVT. Woo. Beautiful. Shelby GT 500. Every time I try to leave, a really beautiful car comes in. Let's just a sexy car. Perfect wheels, got a nice stance to it too. Beast mode out of the Shelby, or snake mode. Enjoy. He came back for a second time. Got a nice idle to it too. So gnarly. All right, guys, we got your 2012 Ford Mustang GT500 supercharged. Got the 5.4 in it. It's got long tube headers there and there. High flow cats there and there. So you guys know it's gonna sound phenomenal. And then it's got X-pipe there. It's a full Corsa system. All the way back 3-inch. There's a Corsa Extremes there and there. And then it had the single tips. And he didn't like them because he changed the back bumper on it and he put the quad. So he brought the quad Corsa tips and we put them in for him, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the Corsa singles that were on it that we took off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again? Oh my God! That's with mufflers on it. Imagine if it didn't have mufflers, guys. Again? Alright, got it, but that's enough. Bang it out. Click the reset on it. You know they ain't playing. Look at that. Again? They're so mean, man. I love it. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Shelby GT500 Ford Mustang. Listen to this beast. Beautiful car. It broke the decibel meters, guys. What does that tell you? Cobra mode. Oh my